Mostly.
Where is it? Oh, over there, okay.
Then I think there's a screw. Oh yeah, it's easy.
Yeah.
Counterclockwise. Don't lose them.
There's a screw in trouble. Careful. That I probably screw up.
And what next?
Well, I only saw that part.
Usually the head has a mechanism.
Yeah, use magnet better, yeah.
No, they just have a mechanism.
Yeah.
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 So, show it again how to take it out.
Almost. I just keep doing that, yeah. Just the noise. Yeah, keep doing that.
Huh?
You have to keep doing that, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah, almost.
Wow.
Yeah, perfect. So that's which light it is. Use the ignition and then don't use the ignition, but turn the battery on and then figure out which one we're gonna take out. We checked out that this one wasn't lining up.
So yeah, look like easy, but
Yeah,
when you're handy,
yeah.
can't fit. Yeah, good.
Good. Alright. One they showed on the video was burnt. This one might have been the
Okay,
burnt one,
that's
and
good.
now we're installing this one. And it looks like it's all done.
Okay.
Alright. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong video.
Yeah.
Almost. There you go. Clip it.
No, not keep it. Keep it. Turn it.
Turn it, yeah. It has to make a sound, a snap, or it has to make a
Okay,
sound.
that's
Yeah.
good. That's good.
There you
Okay.
go.
Put it back.
Yeah.
Okay, clean it up first.
Yeah.
Clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now, any
This one?
paper?
Paper.
No paper here, right?
Let's see.
Oh, look at the. There you go.
Yeah, working.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to test it. It works. Yeah. Oh, good, right? Good.
Good one.
It's clean.
Yeah.
Or even better now, yeah.
Long. It's a long time.
Yeah.
Never
A
came.
lot of like rain and stuff. And the
Okay.
burnt rubber and stuff, yeah.
Now I gotta put it back.
Yeah.
Okay. Those have.
And there, yeah.
Yeah. There's a hole here.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, this.
The hole in there, yeah.
Should clip something, right?
We can screw it on anyway. See the video again?
No, that's okay. Yeah, just screw it in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another thing is I don't remember which one is which. Hopefully it don't matter.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Two screw, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to screw one too tight.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now you screw tight.
Yeah.
Okay, now move it. And then you screw this one.
Yeah.
Too.
Right.
All right, that's it. Okay, very tiny. One at a time.
Yeah.
There you go to the back. Right here, right? Here.
That I don't know which one is
Yeah,
which.
yeah. This one. You
Yeah.
see? Good.
Oh, snaps. Good.
The other side.
Oh, the opposite?
No, this small. This. See here.
They different?
No, it got clipped tight.
Yeah, I know it's tight. I heard it. There you go. All right. It test it, yeah.
Still move a little bit. It's not good. Good. Try it again. That's good.
Yeah.
Let me check it again.
Well, you do it from the bottom. Ah, shit. Good.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Should move at all.
Yeah.
Bit more. That's very tight. That's good. Oh yeah. You want to change the other side?
No.
Till it broke, right?
Yeah.
So we got save this.
Yeah.